overall, this is a nice little torch. Construction, very sturdy, looks great, fills from the bottom. And, my one criticism I'd have of this is the instructions don't really tell you very much. I think you're supposed to use these little adapters to fill it, but I was able to fill it with my normal propane can. But I'm wondering if you used one of these guys, it might have a better connection. I don't know. This thing here that it comes with, no clue what this does. I don't know. And apparently others have had this similar feeling. Now, what I theorize this does, maybe in conjunction, yeah, these will fit on there. I'm wondering if this isn't a device to empty it, like if you were going to ship it, put that tip on, and there's a little slot here. If you can see the slot right there. So if you push that in, the butane would come out. I guess we could check that very quickly. Yeah, that's what it does. I'd shoot out a bunch more, but butane's expensive, so that's a tool to empty it. Turn on the valve, fires up. It fired up every time for me. Doesn't have a lot of adjustability. I mean, this is the highest flame, which is plenty of flame, and you can feather it down from there. That's full open though. See, it doesn't do anything. And now we'll check it down, so it'll go down low, but I don't know exactly what I do with that. Maybe if you were doing a piece of shrink tube, but I use my heat gun for those, not an open flame, but you can, certainly. But like I say, open it, fires every time, does its thing. It's got a nice wide base, so it feels very safe. The piezo shoots enough energy to fire this thing up every time, and kind of a cool retro steampunk, isn't that what they call it, design. But nice unit, and that's plenty of heat to solder, especially if you're not doing very much, or you're out working on something and you needed to solder something. That would work very well. Comes to a nice point. It's a nice style flame. I like that a lot. And you do get the mystery tool, which we've determined is a emptier, and two of these tips, which may help you fill it. I suppose they would, but like I say, I was able to fill it just with my normal butane bottle. Nice heft to it, nice size, and again, nice base. It's not going to fall over. And I've got another one of these that I use a lot, and I suppose I'll replace it with this, if for no other reason, because my other one I've got a lock on. This stays on all the time, which is super convenient over having that extra step of firing it on and locking it on. I don't know how many times I've messed that up. But good unit. So enjoy. Cheers.
Pretty happy. It's solid, kind of weighs a little bit. It's not cheap. It comes with this little plastic thing there, right there, that you can take off as a safety, so you can store it, and then that's how you turn it on and off. And then this is how you ignite. Flame comes out over here, but I like this fact that it's got a little safety you know, Gazmo, so I can't turn it on. Somebody can't turn it on accidentally. So this comes off before you use it, and then you can put it back on. Then you open it up. So I just got it. It's really, I'm using it for some soldering of these units to do some wires. This is kind of the outcome of that. And the first one was a little too hot, so I was able to drill it down, or, you know, like dial the temperature down a little bit. Really impressed with this thing. I did use this brand, which burns a little hotter, I've been told, and instead of some others, and pretty easy to fill it up. It was on the bottom, about 15 seconds or so, 10 seconds, and then it kind of, I saw that it started to like leak out after when it was full. So I'm impressed. I would, we'll see how I'm going to do the job in a couple of days, but I'm impressed. I don't know if we'll use it in the kitchen, maybe, but I like it.
So you have to remove this safety check. It was originally here. Okay. The other part is when you insert the gas, it goes through here. You need the tip to properly insert. What I don't like is that there's no way to engage, well, way to know how full this torch is. But here is exactly what it looks like when it's totally turned on. Listen in for the sound, and there you go. And if you want full, you gotta press that, and then to turn it off, you just dim it down. Tighten it up, put the safety check back in, and that's it.
Here it is, little torch. Look at this thing. It looks very much like antique, but it's not. You fill the butane on the bottom, standard fill it with butane. This is the little control. Can you hear it? Then this is auto lighter. Boom. And you control the flame, high, down to a fine flame on low. Oop. Just go as low as it can go. Right up. Right there. No, baby, back up. It's a big torch. So, you can see that. I want to burn nothing. Flame lasts quite a while. It doesn't really get hot either. Yeah, I mean, the tip's a little tiny bit hot, but there's the auto light right there. Yeah, that sparks. It's pretty slick, guys. Use it for, you know, lighting fires, or people use this for baking, like desserts, like creme brulee. That sizzle the top. Bam. There you go.
This thing is awesome. I love this blowtorch. I bought it about a month ago, and I've only had to refill it once. The flame is really strong. It's hard to see in the light, but yeah, the flame is real strong. And it's really durable too. I dropped it off this balcony right down there, and the middle of it actually got clogged with dirt, and then it still worked after I got the dirt out. So real nice and durable. And there's a secret feature that they don't tell you about, that if you turn it on and then you plug these two holes, it turns into a soft flame. That's so cool. This thing, it rocks. It's amazing. It's good for cooking and whatever else you want to use it for.
won't turn off. It's been on for 5 minutes now. I cannot turn this off. Button isn't working.
Okay, I'm turning on the gas, and you can hear it. Electric strike doesn't work. I bought this in May, but I only started using it in July. I had one, but it was a cheap one. So, it has a 2-year warranty, and I would like the item replaced, please.
There it goes, fucker.
Yeah. I've been reading them signs. I've been losing my mind.
Not even a month. They're really shit. Don't buy that stuff.